Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We are doing I would say that a day in my life, but it's actually afternoon. It's like 3:30 and I realized that I haven't done a whole video in like ages, so I thought that I would show you guys today what I've been spending my money on lately. So I've actually put in an order for some food. Usually I order from Aldi, but today I ordered from this place which is called and they have amazing things, so many vegan options. It will arrive between 5 and 6 today. Until then, I need to cook / I want to cook. I need to kind of take care of the kitchen area. Thought that I would show you guys the clothes that I bought recently, so let's go into the living room and start there. These, I don't know how I'm gonna show, but I'll try. Let's start with the Shein stuff. This was like 2 or 3 months ago, so it's really not that recent. Well, kinda. One of my favorite things is this little guy over here. It has pockets, long, so it's trousers. And usually I just put on like a white t-shirt on top of it, but I guess if you're like on the beach, you can kind of use it as a cover-up. Next, we have 2 rompers, which are kind of the same. I mean, the cut, I would say, the style is the same, but I ordered it in black, and this one is striped. I haven't worn the black one yet. It is a little bit shorter, I feel like, and both of them are really airy, and I feel like they're both good for work if you work at a place which is not business casual and you can be casual. And it's also really great for like summer nights if you go out with your friends and I don't know, just grab a drink or go to a concert. Yeah, I think next week or maybe this weekend we will go to a new restaurant which we're trying out with my boyfriend. So I think for those occasions these work perfectly. And I have one more romper, which is this one. It's a little bit of different style. I mean, on the neck for sure, and it's kind of shorter here. We have this thing which holds it together on your back. It's super nice, airy. The next thing is something that I got from H&M, and this was on a sale. It is really 90s inspired. I mean, I'm pretty sure that when I was younger I had something like this, not this short, but something like this. And this is definitely something that I would wear for some kind of an occasion with the girls or the boyfriend, or specifically for our holiday. So it's a halter, and for my body and chest size, the halter style is the best for me. You can just snap it together. It doesn't really have a back, and it's a skirt, and it's super cute. And I did post this when I was trying this on my Instagram. If you're not following me, it's at Effythenewone. It's the same as we have it here on YouTube. And I did post about this dress when I was trying this on my stories, because this is not my size, or at least it's not the size that I am used to. Since puberty, I would say, I was always a 36, like an EU measurement, or a size S, and this one I believe it's a 38, not a 36. And I wanted to try in a 36, and I looked at it and I was like, I'm not really sure that that's gonna fit me. So I had a little bit of a debate with my boyfriend, because I told him how bad I feel, that ever since I hit puberty I've always been a 36, and this is a 38, and I'm not gonna put it on. I need to have a 36, and I had a really fixed mindset on this. And he was like, babe, why don't you just try it on? Just see how it feels. So I put it on, and it felt amazing, and I felt like everything was tucked in. I also felt comfortable. It was just perfect for my body. I'm really trying to change my mindset about this, and let me tell you, it's not the easiest right now, but I have to be honest with myself, and my body is changing. So now I'm trying on different sizes of clothing items, and I'm trying to see which clothing item fits my body and not vice versa. I know that it's really hard for some people. It's definitely hard for me. If you ever had body image issues, or your weight is fluctuating a lot. Everybody's weight fluctuates, but on some people you can't really see it. I guess what I'm trying to say is that it's okay to have a different size that you're wearing, and we really should aim for finding clothes that fit our body and not try to fit our body into a certain size, if you know what I mean. Okay, next up, also from H&M, this is a top which I never thought that I would buy. I never really wear pink, but I don't know, this one just stuck out for me. This is the top that I wore for the Machine Gun Kelly concert. Next up, from another store, from Zara. This is something super plain, but I just love plain and neutral, and yeah, just plain and neutral stuff, because they're so easy to mix and match. This is just a basic, almost kind of, not really halter, not a halter top, but kind of like that top from Zara. And what I really like is it's a little bit, it looks like it's like cut out on the edges. I also picked up a few t-shirts from Shein when I bought those dresses. Super plain t-shirts, kind of like almond color. We have this t-shirt which is ruched in both sides, and I also got this in a really like dark chocolate color. And last but not least, this t-shirt is also from Shein. Okay, just to break up the clothing items, I have a book. So when I left my corporate job, all the ladies who worked there, they were super nice, and they got me a present which was like a voucher for Libri, which is a bookstore here in Hungary. And I immediately wanted to spend all that money, and I found this book which is from Colleen Hoover. I have been loving Colleen Hoover's books. Mind you, I only read 2 of them, the It Ends With Us and the It Starts With Us. So I thought that I would give another Colleen Hoover book a try. This one is November 9. I started it. I'm on page 32. Maybe I need to get into it a little bit more because it's just not really speaking to me. The last part for the clothing items, we went to crop. So first things first, I bought a bikini, and I was just on FaceTime with one of my best friends. I'm always making fun of this because I always tell everyone that we became friends because we both mutually hate the color purple. It's kind of twisted, but yes, one of the first conversations that we had was how much we hate the color purple. Mind you, I was 20, it was almost 10 years ago. But yeah, so I never really wear anything purple. I don't levitate toward things that are purple, but I think this is lilac, and there is a difference. So this is how the top looks like. I really love this little fringe, and the bottom looks like this, and it has fringes on both ends. The next thing is this little dress. It's definitely short. I think this will be perfect for Croatia. This other dress is just the perfect little red dress. It looks really short right now, but this is how it looks like up top. It's just so beautiful. Last but not least, we have a short, and she looks like this. I had to change. It's so hot in my apartment. Unfortunately, we don't have an AC. So normally on summer days, this is what my apartment looks like because the sun shines here all afternoon. So again, unfortunately, I have to have the lights on if I want to film. But I've been watching some Brooke Michio vlogs. I put away everything around here, which is amazing. I made this really nice cherry soup, which is supposed to be cold, so I'm letting it, you know, just be room temperature, and when it is room temperature, I'm gonna put it into the fridge. I should strain the gnocchi. Here we have some shallots and tomatoes. We also have the shredded salmon right here, And this is the pesto I'm gonna add. I needed to change, it's so hot. I wanted to work out, but I am not sure anymore. Oh, it's just hard to exist. Anyways, the food delivery guy did just text me that he's in fact gonna be here with 7 packages in around 5 minutes. So I'm excited, to say the least. One of my favorite things is putting groceries away, so that's gonna be exciting. Judge me if you want, but I cut this kids mix. I mean, look at that, they are so cute. We have other freezer items. I was covering the box because it had my address on it. Okay, I don't know what to do with this light, I'm sorry guys. We have some fish, breaded fish with wild garlic. This is like a vegetable mixture, so if you make chicken with it or fish with it, it's just the perfect side dish. And this one is with pumpkin and buckwheat. Mango for my smoothies. Prawns, not 1, but 2, because they were discounted. Strawberries. We have this frozen like mixture of different kinds of fruits, so basically I can do the same kind of soup that I'm doing right now with cherries, but this one has a bunch of different fruits. We have broccoli rice. Let's see what else. Cookie Crisp cereal. I picked up a bunch of, not bunch, just 2 different types of pasta. These ones, usually this brand is really expensive, but now, you guessed, it was discounted. We have some kitchen essentials, some vegan cream for cooking, soy sauce because I was running low, this Italian tomato paste or sauce, coconut milk, ground walnuts because I've been making cookies, not a food, but I picked up this Sios shampoo. It's for dandruff prone hair, which I absolutely have. It was discounted, as you guessed. Smells really good. 100% recycled plastic. We like that. Something which is still so expensive. Tuna. Just 4 of these. It was like 2,000 forints. It's a lot, let me tell you. But I haven't bought tuna in a while, so I splurged. We love these little Sixo drinks with my boyfriend. He definitely has a sweet tooth, so anything that is really sweet, he's gonna love that. 2 bags out of the way. We have some cheeses. We have ricotta, 2 mozzarellas. One of my favorite cheeses, gorgonzola. We have this chicken. Ooh. All right, this was discounted. This is a fish burger. This is what they look like, but they mush together. Burger patties for that. Yes, these ones. Another ricotta and some spicy hummus. You're really starting not to see anything here. Hold on. Got some baby spinach, some fresh apples. I've been making apple crumble so much, and it's so easy to make the crumble, and you just cut up the apple and you serve it hot, like right out of the oven with some vanilla ice cream. It's so good. We've got 2 zucchinis. We have our last bag. I got some healthy snacks, organic millet balls, and this one is the cocoa edition, and I swear my boyfriend can eat one of these in 0.2 seconds. No, but really, we love these. Oh, we have the same Sixo teas, just the peach edition. Last but not least, we have milk. This is specifically for my boyfriend because I don't drink regular milk. And we also have tortillas, which is gonna be great because we have a lot of ground turkey frozen, so I think I'm gonna make some tacos or something like that, anything like that. It's just so easy, and with fresh vegetables, that is something perfect for summer. I am sweating, you guys. I'm gonna put all of this away. This is actually not as big of a hole as I thought it would be, but mind you, a huge part is in the freezer. The gnocchi is looking delicious. Maybe I should do like a mask of some kind. We have this eye pad mask. Oh, we also have a green one. This is veggie mixture. This one is deep hydration. Maybe I would read that. I don't want to put this on because it's just gonna stick to my face. I don't want that. I need to wash it off. I don't need that. Oh, and then my favorite ultra sensitive mask from DM. Maybe I'll do this one. I'll figure it out. Anyways, I'm gonna put this all away. Chill. See you guys soon.